I got asked to do a video on exploded drawings in the presentation environment. So the first thing we need to do is add our assembly. So I've got a cylinder, floating joint, a motor, and this parallel mounting. What we're going to need is this tweak components. This is what you use to move the parts. So I'm going to click on here. I can drag that to wherever I want. I can type a number in. The problem is it's pulling all this apart, and this is actually a bought out component, so I don't need this exploded. So what I'm going to do is, if you expand your browser, we can just click on the subassembly, and now the whole thing will move as one. So I've got that where I want it. The next thing I want to do is I want to move the motor. So instead of going tick and starting again, I can just click straight on the motor, and it saves where I've left this. So now I can move this one. Another way to select lots of things rather than just a subassembly is, so if I want to move these screws, I can just drag a box around them. It's highlighted all the screws, and you can see I can move them all at once. And what happens now is we get a bit of a mess. We've got all these trails building up. So what I do is I just right click, hide all trails. So now I'm just going to pick the items that I want to see a trail for. Show full trail. And again, if this is a subassembly, it's much easier to right click the subassembly in the browser and choose show full trail. So when I've done that and I'm happy with it, we need to create a new snapshot. So I can just go new snapshot. And the important thing about this now is that if I want to change anything, I have to go into the view. So we've got the view in your snapshot toolbar. And now I can change it. Just double clicked it. If you don't edit the view, it's not going to show up in your drawing when you change it in your drawing later. So once I've saved that, I can now just put that into the drawing like you would normally. And we can balloon all that too. Boom! Don't forget to subscribe. I'm warning you this time.